Hey everyone, Wes with Auto Choice over here in Spearfish. Today I'm going to do a how-to in this 2014 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition, and I'm going to show you how to use the crawl control in some of the automatic transmission Toyotas. So crawl control is this knob right up here, and this is going to give you the ability to do some off-roading without having to worry about the brakes or the throttle. So the first step in activating the crawl control is you're going to put the vehicle in neutral. From there, you will take the vehicle and put it into 4 low. Put it in drive, and it's going to show me that all these stability controls are off when you're in 4 low. And then you'll go up, and on the slowest setting with crawl control, I'll just turn it on. So now you have the crawl control symbol right there. It's the green one with the 4Runner climbing hill. And when I let my foot off the brake, it's just going to start crawling along. And you can kind of hear it making some noise, and that's basically just the vehicle controlling the speed with the brakes and the throttle. So if you turn the speed up a little bit, it's going to let us creep along at a little higher rate of speed. It looks like we're going about 5 miles an hour, a little less. And if you're kind of doing some off-roading and you wanted to really just focus on picking a line and using the steering wheel, this is going to let you do that. So while you're driving, if you get to a smoother section of trail, you can still get on the gas and go a little bit faster than the crawl control will let you go. And you can also still use the brake to come to a stop. But once you let off the brake, it's going to go back into crawl control. So to get out of crawl control, you're going to want to put on the brake, come to a complete stop, put the vehicle in neutral, power the crawl control off, and then you can put the vehicle back in 2-wheel drive or just 4 high. So that's how you use crawl control in a 2014 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition. If you guys like this video, or if you guys want to schedule an appointment to come look at the Toyota 4Runner, give me a call. My phone number is 605-892-5751. Thanks.